Hi lovely people, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Like I promised, we're back to finish these cute little keychains. Yeah, tuzimalirize buli omu afune eyiye n'abakola order zaabwe bakole order zaabwe. So this is the best part of this job, demolding. Ewasigadde wonna you have to struggle, but this is the best part. Demolding. So this is letter K. This was on a special order. This as well. So kachenjagala nzijjamu ezabadde ku special order nga teziri part of the NUP. Zo zisooke tuzijjemu, get them out of our way. Yeah, and these two. This wasn't, but I did not have another badge already cut, so that's why. So that's it. Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Naye nga mwasibye mutya baddiya, how has been your day? For those watching in the morning, how has been your night? Yeah, I'm sorry this video became a bit long. I tried as much as possible to forward it, everything etambulira ku speed, but trust me, I didn't want to skip any process. I wanted you to see, like I promised, step by step. For this time, I'm putting the names. This order was supposed to be Kasule Grace, so I put the grace with beads and then Kasule with the vinyl. This was supposed to be Kasule David, so it couldn't fit Kasule David, so I put Kasule D. Yeah. Zino zinabagambye, this order was different from the NUP order. So now we're starting on the NUP order, National Unity Platform. Yeah, like I told you yesterday, I had order for 3 names confirmed, but by the time I put these names, already 5 had confirmed. Kakati ali eyo nga tonaba ku placing your order. Do it now. Linnya lyo nditeekeko because I still have more left. I can still put your name. Yeah. Netwogera ku delivery. Yeah, nange nengamba lwaki sifunako. Ate agitta tagiwoomya. Abaganda abaliwo wano. So this is UV resin. Like I told you, we have 2 kinds of resin. We have UV resin. That one cures under the UV light. We have epoxy resin, and under epoxy resin we have more subs like 1:1 ratio, 1:2 ratio, and 1:3 ratio. So this is UV resin. Usually I dome. This is called doming, putting that last layer to seal in the name. It's called doming. I usually use the UV resin, but you can still use even epoxy resin. I'll take you through that process in the future, inshallah. So this is UV, that is the UV light. I cured these pieces for 60 seconds, then I added 120 seconds. Then they were ready to go. Look, that's BBT, your order is done. This is mine, the H. Yeah, I also got one for myself. Anaye sagala wana wa NUP mudde mukwata bisumuluzo ku buwuzi, ku buveera, whatever the case. And those abatagala za NUP customized keychains, the beautiful ones are here. Trust me, I'm the best so far in town. So the next part, so this one did not have a hole, so I had to drill, and this is my drill. I'll put an eyelet. So I had to drill a hole for the eyelet. After drilling, blow off the dust, and then good to go. Yeah. Let's see the transition of these cute little keychains. Alhamdulillah. Nga bannaye naabeebazizaako balungi bange. Thank you so much for supporting me. Those making your orders, those supporting me in form of following, liking, commenting, subscribing. Banaye, you do mean a lot to me. You do mean a lot to me. You keep me going. Sometimes I feel like giving up. But when I think of those subscribers I have, those followers I have, Ningamba, no, I'm not doing this. I have to keep going. For the sardines, I had already put my keys like you see here. Yeah, since this is mine, I had already put my keys. For those that are not around, yeah, I'll just deliver theirs so they can also enjoy this beauty, this cute. Yeah. If you've made it this far, guys, please, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, follow the channel. If you haven't yet, please give a like, give a thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me and to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I think I should sign up by now. See you next time. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Be safe and take care, guys.